I'm joined today by Justin Maleson, Managing Director and Co-Head of Legal Credit at Victory Park Capital. Justin is among the incredible investors sharing insights at the Family Office Investment Forum today. Welcome, Justin. It's great to have you with us.
Great to be here.
What makes legal credit an attractive investment opportunity today, and why is the legal credit market particularly compelling for investors to consider now?
I think there's several answers to the question. I think first and foremost, though, is the uncorrelated nature of the return. It's uncorrelated to the financial markets. It's uncorrelated to macroeconomics. It's uncorrelated to geopolitical conditions like tariffs. So I think that's front and center with the legal credit strategy. I think the next is, as a credit strategy, we're really focused on capital preservation and income generation. These are assets that are consistently generating cash flows for our investors over the life of the investments. It does require a unique skill set, a unique combination of skills between the legal expertise and the credit expertise. You need to have the legal side to understand and underwrite the collateral properly. And you need the credit side as well, and to have the credit infrastructure to effectively execute the strategy. So you need both of those pieces together. And I think finally, the last piece is the market itself is extremely large and continuing to grow year over year. Just for a frame of reference, it's about 10 times the size of the global royalties market for music. So it's an extremely large and growing market. And so you put all that together and believe it's a really compelling investment strategy for investors.
How would you describe Victory Park Capital's approach and how you structure legal credit investment?
So legal credit as opposed to litigation finance. So we are an asset-backed private credit strategy. We're not funding cases. We're not taking single case risk. Our returns are not contingent on the outcome of legal cases. We are lending to law firms and other companies in the legal industry against diversified pools of assets. So it really is asset-backed lending. These tend to be senior secured, highly covenanted, recourse investments that are generating cash flows throughout the life of the investments. So, just to kind of put a bow on it, these really are asset-backed loans where the underlying collateral is legal in nature.
Why might a law firm or strategic partner choose to work with Victory Park Capital? And can you talk us through how your strategic partnerships work?
I think it's a few things. I think one, it starts with our experience and track record. Victory Park has been doing specialty finance and asset-backed lending for nearly 20 years, and we've shown over and over again the ability to successfully structure complex transactions that work for us and our partners. I think the second thing is scale and flexibility. We have the capital to be able to scale with our partners as they grow, and while at the same time ensuring that the solutions are customized to meet what works for them. And I think third and potentially most important is our partnership mindset. We're not just a capital provider. We really view ourselves as a long-term partner, and we value what our partners bring to the table. We take a collaborative and complementary approach to everything we do, and whether it's business or life, not to get too philosophical about it, but really believe that you want to work with people and should work with people that value you and you trust, and that's a really big part of the Victory Park DNA.
Looking ahead, what aspects of the legal credit market or your strategy are you most excited about?
There's a couple things. I think one, insurance-backed structures are creating new and enhanced opportunities for credit investors. I think that's one that's really has been evolving and continues to be really exciting. And I think another is there's really a growing secondary market that's unlocking new sources of liquidity and arbitrage opportunities, and is really, again, opening up opportunities for credit investors to really maximize value.
Thank you, Justin. We're going to need to leave it there and get back to the forum, but I really appreciate you sharing your expertise with us today for being a part of Global Investment Institute's Family Office Investment Forum.
Thanks so much for having me.